This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNN.Live. We're at the Planet MicroCap Showcase 2019 in Las Vegas. I have with me Dr. Jack Jacobs from Zhittya, Genesis Medicine, Inc. It's a private company. Jack, welcome to SNN.Live.
Thank you, Shelley, for inviting me.
It's good to have you. Let's get started with a brief overview of Zhittya, and we'll go from there.
Okay. We are a biotechnology company developing new drugs for unmet medical needs.
What's some history behind the company?
The company's drug is based on a growth factor that grows new blood vessels in damaged tissues, including the heart, in the feet, and in the brain.
What is unique about this company?
We are developing a drug for conditions that are not currently met with any medications. For example, we're dealing with severe coronary artery disease. People have no options. They can't have a bypass, they can't have a stent put in. Our drug can grow new blood vessels in their hearts, and we have clinical trial, US FDA clinical trial data to support that.
Jack, where's the science from?
Interesting, the science began at Merck, the large pharmaceutical company. They kind of abandoned it 20 years ago, and we've picked it up and are running with it now. So a lot of good indications. Over 75 human diseases are characterized by a lack of blood flow to a damaged tissue or organ. That's what we're aiming at.
What stage are your FDA trials at?
So we have a heart indication, which has seen phase 2 clinical trials. Diabetic foot ulcers has seen phase 2 clinical trial data. And with the brain diseases, we're just starting out on those. So we're looking at Parkinson's disease. We have an IND filed with the US FDA to look at that unmet medical need as well.
What are your competitive advantages?
Well, we think we have the most potent growth factor known. It's a natural product in our bodies to stimulate new blood vessel growth. And we're further along than anyone else in the world. So once we first get to market, we think we'll have a lot of things wrapped up.
What are your target markets?
Again, we're targeting these severe diseases without known drugs, so coronary artery disease, diabetic foot ulcers, and in the brain we have about 5 or 6 indications, including Alzheimer's, Parkinson's disease, Lou Gehrig's disease, some really nasty diseases that have no therapy as of yet.
What's your background?
I'm a PhD in molecular biology, and I've worked at Big Pharma at Merck, small biotechs, but I've been with this company or this management team for about 20 years.
What do you think are some growth drivers for the company?
Well, we are dealing with unmet medical needs, so if we can get this to approval, people are going to come to us. We're not going to really have to sell this.
What's your website? Let's get it out there for more information.
Okay, the website is, if you type in just Zhittya, genesismedicine.com, that'll come up, and we have a Parkinson disease website as well, if you want to know more about that indication.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Jack Jacobs, Zhittya, Genesis Medicine, Inc. It's a private company. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNN.Live. We're coming to you live from the Planet MicroCap Showcase 2019 in Las Vegas. Thank you, Dr. Jack Jacobs, for coming on.
Thank you.